So, good morning, one and all. So, almost how many participants are there? Okay, 92 participants are there. So, we started in the last lecture the scheduling algorithm concept from third chapter, and we completed FCFS scheduling, which is totally non-preemptive scheduling. So, two types of schedulings are there: non-preemptive and preemptive. So FCFS we discussed as a non-preemptive because in case of FCFS, once the processor is allocated to the process, so it completes that process, then only it switches to the another process. So in between, it will not preempt that process. So that's why it's called as a non-preemptive. And then we discussed about SJF. And in case of SJF also, we discussed about two cases. So SJF is preemptive as well as non-preemptive. So first of all, we discussed about how SJF is non-preemptive. So in case of SJF, if all processes arrive at the same time, so it will work like a non-preemptive scheduling. So just we have to decide the sequence according to the shortest job or the job which requires smallest burst time quantum. So accordingly, we discussed non-preemptive SJF, and then we were talking about preemptive SJF. We were talking about preemptive SJF, and in case of preemptive SJF, again one example we have completed. One example we have completed this example, and I given one more example to you people to solve, right? So I think once again I will give the second example. So again we considered the set of 4 processes, right? Let me write again in the chat box. So what was the sequence we given? Arrival time sequence. Can anybody tell me arrival time? We considered same set P1, P2, P3, P4. We considered same burst time, only we changed the arrival time. Can anybody? P1?
1203.
1, P2, 2, P3, 0, and P4, 3. Right? So we considered this sequence. I hope everybody is able to see the chat box. So instead of this arrival time given in the example, so we replace the arrival time by 1203. So can anybody has solved the example? I think you have drawn the Gantt chart, right? Yes, students. Anybody has drawn the Gantt chart?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you share? Share on the group.
Yes.
In your class group, you can share. Take a photograph and share it on the class group, so that others they will see. Okay. So Vedangi has shared. So I will share it on B group. So you can just check it out. So I hope everybody is listening to me. All students carefully listen. This is somewhat a complicated concept, preemptive SJF, to understand. Okay, so according to our example, P3's arrival time is 0. P3's arrival time is 0. That's why. So Vedangi rightly started in the Gantt chart. So first of all, we have to allocate processor to P3. So at time 0, P3 arrived. And what is our next arrival time? Next arrival time is 1. That is of P1, process P1. So that's why from 0 to 1, so she continued process P3. What is the burst time of process P3? Burst time of process P3 is 9. So what is the remaining time of process P3 now at time 1? So remaining time will be 8. remaining time of process P3 at time 1 will be 8, and one more process arrived in the system, that is process P1, whose burst time is also 8, whose burst time is also 8. So I will keep this chat box here, that will be better so that you will not confuse. Okay, so as P1 arrived nextly, P1's burst time is also 8 and P3's remaining burst time is also 8. So tie occurred. So which one we need to choose? So in this case, we need to apply FCFS. In this case, we need to apply FCFS, and that's why again Vedangi correctly continued process P3, because process P3 arrived before process P1, right? So that's why P3 will be continued up to the next arrival time. So what is the next arrival time? Next arrival time is 2. Next arrival time is 2. That is process P2 arrived at time 2. So if you observe at time 2, 3 processes will be in the system: P3, P1 and P2. So P3's remaining time will be 7. P1's requirement will be 8 as it is, and P2 requires 4 milliseconds for processor, right? So now at time 2, whose burst time is shortest one? Come on. At time 2, which process requires less time?
P2.
Good. Process P2 requires less time quantum, that is 4, as compared to 7 and 8. So 7 is the remaining time of P3 and 8 is the required time for P1. So as compared to 7 and 8, 4 is less. So that's why we have to switch processor from P3 to P2. I hope everybody is looking towards the photograph sent by Vedangi, which I shared on your class group. Look at to that GNAT chart. You are able to understand. She has rightly mentioned at time 2, 3 processes are there. P3 having requirement 7 milliseconds, P1 having requirement 8 milliseconds, and P2 having requirement 4 milliseconds. Out of 7, 8, 4 is the shortest time. So that's why we switched the processor from P3 to P2. So P2 we scheduled at time 2. So we'll continue P2 up to next arrival time, and the last arrival time is 3. Process P4 is arriving at time 3. So from 2 to 3 we will continue P2, but again at time 3 P4 entered in the system, but P4's requirement is also 5, which is greater than remaining time of P2, which is greater than remaining time. What is the remaining time of P2 at time 3? So it will be 3. P2 was requiring 4. It arrived at time 2. So to the up to the next arrival time. So next arrival time is 3. So from 2 to 3, P2 will be under execution, and at time 3, P4 entered, but P4's requirement was 5, which is greater than remaining time of P2, that is 3. So that's why we have to continue P2 here onwards, that is after time 3. So we can apply non-preemptive SJF, that is we need to execute P2, which requires 3 milliseconds. Then we need to execute P4, which requires 5 milliseconds. Then we need to execute P3, which requires 7. And at last we need to execute P1, which requires 8. Yes, students, are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Except Vedangi, nobody is responding me. What about other students? If you are getting the concept, you can say yes, otherwise I will repeat. Come on, B division students. Okay, Unnati Daigode responded. Other students from B division. Okay, Shubham Shende, Chinmay Halsikar, Rutuja Gaikwad. Okay, so if you understood the example, draw the GNAT chart. It's already Vedangi has shared it. So this is the right one. If you are not getting, you can ask to me. I will repeat. Otherwise, you can proceed further. Draw the GNAT chart. Calculate waiting time per process. Calculate average waiting time. Calculate turnaround time per process. Calculate average turnaround time. Come on. If anybody is still in confusion, not getting. Okay, Omkar Biradar, can you please explain 1 second? Okay, good. Omkar. So all of you listen, those who are unable to understand. So those who understood, they can proceed further. Those who are unable to understand, listen carefully. So I will keep the chat box here. So here I have mentioned the sequence. Okay, so arrival time is P1 arrived at time 1, P2 arrived at time 2, P3 arrived at time 0, P4 arrived at time 3. Okay, so again I will request those who are unable to understand, you can just take the help of a photograph sent by Vedangi, division A, which I shared on both group. So open that photograph, look at to that GNAT chart. Look at to that GNAT chart. So in our example, 4 processes are there. Their burst time is 8495, P1 8, P2 4, P3 9, and P4 5. And their arrival time is P1 arrived at time 1, P2 arrived at time 2, P3 arrived at time 0, and P4 arrived at time 3. Right? So which process arrived first? Can you tell me? Omkar? Come on. Omkar Birazadar, are you there?
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
type message. Actually, I have opened the upper window of the message box, chat box. So I don't want to skip, or I don't want to go below. So you can unmute and you can speak, please.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. So P1 arrived at first, right? Because that arrival time is 0, right?
Which one?
P1?
So if you are looking towards the arrival time, so I have written the arrival time over here in the chat box. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. I have joined late, so I won't be able to see any messages in the chat box.
No, on my screen is visible with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So on the screen, I have shown the example. No?
Yes, ma'am. The P1, P2, P3, and P4, right?
Arrival time?
Ma'am, actually the chat box is not visible.
Okay, chat box is not visible. Okay. Okay, sorry. Omkar, actually arrival time we have changed in this example. So arrival time we have taken 1203. Omkar.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
P1 1, P2 2, P3 0, and P4 3.
So in this case, P3 will be first, right?
Good. So P3 will be first, and that's why in the diagram also Vedangi has started the GNAT chart from P3. So from 0 to 1, P3 is continued. At time 1, P1 arrived. So P3's burst time was 9. So out of 9, it executes 1. So its remaining time will be 8. And at time 1, one more process arrived in the system, that is P1. So P1's requirement is also 8. So P3's requirement is also 8 and P1's requirement is also 8 at time 1. So in this case, tie occurred. That's why we continued P3 because P3 arrived first. So in such cases, we need to apply FCFS. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So P3 we continued up to 2. That is from 1 to 2 we continued P3. It means from 0 to 2 we executed P3. And at time 2, one more process arrived in the system, that is P2. One more process arrived in the system, that is P2. So now at time 2, 3 processes will be there in the system. Process P3, process P1 and process P2. So P3 executed for 2 milliseconds. Its remaining time is
7.
7. Good. So at time 2, P3's remaining time will be 7. P1's required time will be 8. And P2's required time will be 4. So in 784, which one is the smallest one?
4.
4 is the smallest one, and that's why we switched from P3 to P2 in the GNAT chart.
Yeah, okay. Got it, ma'am.
So we continued P2 up to 3 because 3 is the last arrival time or the next arrival time. So at time 3, again P4 arrived in the system, but P4's requirement is 5, which is greater than remaining time of P2. So remaining time of P2 will be 3. Remaining time of P2 will be 3. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
So P2 executed from 2 to 3, and we are talking now at time 3. So at time 3, all 4 processes will be there in the system. P3's requirement will be 7, P1's requirement will be 8, P2's requirement will be 3, and P4's requirement is 5. So again, as compared to 5, 3 is less, and that's why we continued P2. So here, this is the last arrival time. There onwards, nobody is going to enter in the system because only 4 processes are there. So we are able to apply non-preemptive SJF. So if we apply non-preemptive SJF, so according to our sequence, P2 requires 3, so P2 will be executed first. Then P4 requires 5. So after P2, P4 will be executed. After P4, P3 requires 7, P3 will be executed. And at last, P1 requires 8. That's why after P3, P1 will be executed. Now got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So other students, if you are having doubt, please ask. So these are the questions which are frequently asked in your competitive exams. Keep in mind. These are the questions asked for competitive exams like GATE. So you need to appear compulsorily for GATE because it is required for you people. Right? So if you are not understanding, you can ask. Once again, I will repeat for you. Otherwise, you can continue. So you can solve the example and tell me waiting time per process, average waiting time, turnaround time per process, average turnaround time. Some of the students, I think they are written in the chat box. Anybody has posted? Okay, nobody has posted yet. So anybody has completed the example? You can take your own time, draw the GNAT chart. Draw the GNAT chart, and from that, calculate waiting time per process. So first of all, we'll talk about waiting time. Waiting time for P1, waiting time for P2, waiting time for P3, and waiting for time for P4. So if anybody has completed, they can type in the message box. So hope everybody is solving it. Okay. Chinmay has posted average waiting time 7.25, average turnaround time 13.75. So Chinmay, please post per process waiting time, per process turnaround time. Shubham Shende, same result. Okay. So at the same time, you can post waiting time per process so that other students, they will get the idea. If they are going wrong, they will correct. So what is the waiting time for P1? So P1, good. Let me verify. Chinmay has posted P1 17, that is right. P2, it's 0. P2 arrived at time 2. Yes, it is executed at time 2, that's why 0. P3 arrived at time 0. So from 0 to 2, it was under execution. After that, 11 minus 2, 9. Good. So P3's waiting time will be 9. Then P4. So P4 arrived at time 3 and started at time 6. Good. So this is the correct answer. And that's why average waiting time will be 13.75. And turnaround time will be, waiting time, average waiting time will be 7.25. And turnaround time P2 4, good. P4's requirement 5 plus 3, 8, right. P3 18 and P1 25, good. Okay, so this is the right answer in the chat box. Answer is given. So whether my screen is visible now? Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
I have displayed the chat box. Is it visible?
Oh, ma'am, it's not visible yet.
Oh, ma'am.
It means you have to see in your chat box only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So enlarge your chat box and you can see the answers. So Chinmay has, Unnati has also posted, Chinmay posted. So whether everybody is getting the same answer, but Rutuja has also posted same answer. Rahul Kapat, we can't able to see chat box. Okay. Our message is not getting to all. Okay, just a minute. So we'll copy the thing from chat box. Okay, only CSTYA can see our message. Okay, okay. So B is unable to see. So actually my word is also not working properly. So let me take the help of text document where you are able to see. So are you able to see now? My screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So actually my word is also not working. Yesterday something happened. So I need to work on that. So I have displayed the text file, text document. So check your answer with you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Sandhya More has also posted same result. So other students, are you getting? If you are not getting, you can ask to me. I will repeat. Otherwise, we'll proceed further. Okay, students, no doubt. Yes. Yes, anybody is having doubt? Okay, so we'll take one more last example from preemptive SJF. Okay, so I will post the example on the group. And you have to solve this example. So again, we are going to consider 4 processes. Okay, so on TYB I posted, will post on TYA. So is it visible? Yes, students, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So take down this as a third example. Take down this as a third example. I have changed the arrival time. Again, I have changed the burst time also. So draw the Gantt chart and post it first. So step by step we'll go. First of all, draw the Gantt chart. Draw the Gantt chart. So everybody got the example, third example under preemptive SJF. I have shared it on the group, on your class group. Take down that example, write in your notebook. Then draw the Gantt chart. And after drawing the Gantt chart, first of all, post it on the group. We'll first verify the Gantt chart. Once it will be okay, then only you can proceed further. So I have taken in the example total 4 processes. P1, P2, P3, P4. Arrival time is 0, 1, 2, 3. And burst time is 10, 9, 8, 7. Hope everybody is solving the example. So if you have completed the GNAT chart, post it. Okay, so Rahul Gapat, Shraddha Parki Patil posted. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So P1. P1 from 0 to 1. At time 1, P2 arrived because 9, but P1 will be continued up to 2. Okay, so at time 2. P2 at time 2, P3 is entering. 1 will be continued. Good. P1, then P4, then P3. Okay. What about others? P1, P4, P3. So Rahul got different. Shraddha got different. What about Rutuja? Rutuja also got like Shraddha. So Rahul, just check it. So I will also draw my net chart so that Rahul cross verify. It seems somewhat wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I will check.
Okay. So who has sent? Okay. Shubham Shende. 0, 10, 17, 25, 34. Correct. So he has calculated the average waiting time also. Vedangi Bhuchang. Good. Good. It is also correct. So actually, Vedangi is following the right method. How I am drawing in the same fashion, she is also drawing the net chart. So this will be for our understanding purpose. So Sneha Maskar, what happened? You sent the message and you deleted the message. So I will just forward the chart drawn by Vedangi to both the group, and as well as I will send my chart also, how I am following. Okay, so you can also follow in the same fashion. So at every arrival time, you need to write the name of the process and its requirement. Okay, so I think Vedang is net chart you received. So I'm sending mine also. So follow like that. Rahul Sneha Maskar sent. Network issue is there. Okay, TYB students, you got Vedangits. Mine, it is not sent due to network issue. Okay, so TYA, you may got mine. So to be also forward. So you can just listen to these charts drawn by Vedangi as well as me. So if you are observing at each arrival time, so below I'm writing process name and its requirement. It's a required bus time, right? So if you write like that, it will be very easy for you people. Right? This is the right one. Rahul, okay. P110, P4 up to 17, P3 up to 25. Good. P2 up to 34. Come on. So this is correct, Rahul. Next is Sneha Maskar. 10, 17, 25, 34. Good, Sneha. So some of the students, they have calculated the waiting time as well as average waiting time also. So again, in the chat box, you can type. I will copy it in the text window. Anybody? Sneha Maskar? Type in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll just verify. Average waiting time, it is 11.5 and average turnaround time, it is 20 milliseconds. So I think somebody, Shubham Chende has also, yes. So both of them, they got the same result. So it seems that this is the correct one. So you posted Sneha Maskar's result on both group. So she has typed in the chat box also. Okay, so everybody got it? A division, B division. You can cross verify. Tell me whether it is right or wrong. Because Shubham Shende also got the same result. Sheetal Kedar also posted. Good. Is also right, Sheetal. Average turnaround time 20. Other students, you can cross verify and tell me is it correct or not. Over. Yes. Yes, students, are you solving? Hello. Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Other students? Almost three participants are there. Only 2 or 3 students they are interacting. Kushi Kallur,
Yes, ma'am.
you completed?
Yes, ma'am. Writing.
Swagati Kashid, Swagati Kashid, Swagati Kashid, you are not listening.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you completed?
I'm solving.
Hmm?
I'm solving right now.
Solve it and post it on the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Aishwarya Mohikar,
Yes, ma'am.
have you solved?
No, ma'am. I'm solving.
Why you are not responding? Hmm?
Ma'am, network issue and here construction work is there.
Solve it and post it on the group.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratiksha Patil,
Yes, ma'am.
have you solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Post it on the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Pawan Kakade,
Yes, ma'am.
have you solved?
No, ma'am.
Hmm?
No.
Why?
Solving.
Are you solving right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you post it on the group?
Yes.
Girimaleshwar Nageli, Girimaleshwar,
Yes, ma'am.
are you solving the example?
Yes, ma'am.
Post it on the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Anushka Chavan, Anushka Chavan, B division.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you solved the example? Post it on the group. Post it on your class group. Divyak Shirsagar, Divyak Shirsagar, Divyak Shirsagar, are you listening to me? Divya from B division. Vaibhavi Patil,
Yes, ma'am.
are you solving it?
Yes, ma'am. I am solving.
Now post it on your class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Abhay Ghante. Abhay Ghante. Yes, Abhay. Abhay Ghante, B44. Are you listening to me? Yakub Ramjan. Yakub Ramjan. Are you listening to me? Abhay Ghante, Yakub Ramjan. Ganesh Evle. Ganesh Evle, B division, 72 roll number. Harshad Bad. Harshad Bad. Shreyesh Patil. Shreyesh Patil. Yakub Ramjan. Abhishek Jadhav. Abhishek Jadhav, B division. Pranavraj Jagdale.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, somebody, Abhishek Jadhav, solving map. Okay, background noise is there. Okay. Jagdale, are you solving it?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm waiting for you people. So solve it and post it on the class group. See, number of students, few students. Harshad Bad, Abhay Ghante, Ganesh Evle, Yakub Ramjan, still they are not responding. It doesn't mean that you, for your attendance you are logging in. Abhay, what you are doing? Almost 5 to 6 times I'm calling to your name. Yes, Abhay, unmute yourself. Abhay Ghante. Harshad Bad.
मॅम सॉल्व केल्यावर पोस्ट करतो.
काय करताय नक्की तुम्ही? Why you are not listening continuously to the lecture? Yakub, Ganesh Evle, Yakub Ramjan. Still you are not responding. Pratiksha Patil, she has posted. Suraj Nagtilak posted. Actually, I not asked these students, but still they are posting the answer. To whom I am asking, they are not responding. So this should not be there. Abhay Gante, still I am waiting for you. At least post it on the group, your answer. If you are unable to solve, tell me. If you don't want to send on your class group, send personally to me. I will cross verify your answer. I'm repeating the same. It's most important concept. These questions are asked frequently for the competitive exams. So these are most important examples. For a while, those who have completed this example, one more last example I will give. So still some students are in confusion. So those who have already solved, for them, one more example I am posting on the group. I solved. Ankita, ma'am, I solved, but my camera problem is there, so I can't able to click it and share with you. Okay, so Ankita, just verify the answer. If it's correct, then it's okay. At least you can just, you are able to post your result. That is waiting time per process, average waiting time, turnaround time per process, average turnaround time. Who is this? Seven 7058540070. Vaibhavi Patil. Okay. Good, Vaibhavi. So I'm asking the same result. I'm expecting the same result. So you are not posting, and that's why I need to call. Okay, I will post one more last example. Come on. So I have posted it on A group. I will post it on group B group. Got it, students? One more last example. Yes, students, you got it? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
What about B division? Anybody from B division? You got the example, last example? B division students?
Yes.
Yes? Abhay Ghante, I want your answer for the previous example. Aishwarya Mohikar posted. Okay, solve this last example and post your results. And I think these 4 examples are sufficient to understand preemptive SJF, which is somewhat complicated. Harshad Bhatt, still I am waiting. Yakub Ramjan, Ganesh Evle. Okay, Pranav Raj Shakdari. Good. Good, it's correct. Vishal Lingde. Good. Go ahead, solve the last example. Harshad Bhatt posted. Good, Harshad. So write properly, it's 11.5 average waiting time. So your point is not visible. Still I am waiting for Abhay Ghante. I want answer from you. Either post on the group or post personally to me. How much time you want? Abhay. Almost all students they have solved. Who is this? Please write your names also below. 705851 8019. Anushka Chavan. Okay, good. It's right. Go ahead. Solve the last example. Okay, Rutuja Gaikwad. I think Unnati and Rutuja they have posted the last example. Zero two one P1 P4 P3 P4 P4 P3 P2 and P1. Okay, Rutuja. Unnati. Okay. So Unnati and Rutuja, they got the same answer. Gorakshnath, you have posted the previous example. Good. Good. Go ahead for the last example. Rahul. P1, P2. No, Rahul, something went wrong in your case. Rahul, something went wrong in your case. Net chart cross verify. So first of all, there will be P1 from 0 to 1. At 1, P2 arrives. P1's requirement will be 9, P2 8. So that's why we have to switch to P2. Go up to 2. So at time 2, P1 9, P2 7, P3 6. Again, we have to switch to P3. At time 3, P1 9, P2 7, P3 5, and P4 2. So again, we have to switch to P4, then P3, P2, P1. So Vedangi, it's correct. So again, I will share Vedangi's answer in a chat for the last example, which is the correct one. Sneha Maskar. P1, P2, P3, P4, P3, P2, P1. Good. Good. Sneha Maskar has given everything. So we'll cross verify with the other students. Shraddha Parthipati. Good. So just wait for waiting time and turnaround time. Letters will give time to students. They will solve and then we'll verify. So I have posted Vedangi's diagram, grad chart on the group. So which is the correct one? So you can say, you can just cross verify it. So who is this? 9923118609. P1, P2, P3, P4, P3, P2, P1. Good. This is also correct. Sandhya Mori. Abhay Ghante. I don't know why Abhay is not responding me. Neha Kushti posted waiting time. Average waiting time. Rishma Bhai Gopal. Good. Go ahead, calculate waiting time per process, turnaround time per process, average waiting time, turnaround time. Unnati Taigure. Suraj Makhiyar. Unnati, your average waiting time is 7.25, and few students they have posted I think Suraj Nagtirak, his average waiting time is 6.5. Raghu Kapat. Now it is right. So I have posted the right one also on the group. You can cross verify. So Unnati, just cross verify. Because I think Rishma Kai no. Sneha Maskar. See, Sneha Maskar has also posted. It's 6.25 milliseconds. Average waiting time. Okay, so I will post Sneha Maskar's result on both the group. You can cross verify. Okay, so I have posted the GNAT chart of Unnati, sorry, Vedangi, and I have posted the result of Sneha Maskar. Good. So it seems you understood the concept. Who is A28? Your name please. 9067020950. Preeti More. Okay, Preeti More, waiting time 6.25. Still I am waiting for Abhay. Abhay Ghante. We can give you 6.5. Good. So turnaround time in 30 milliseconds. Turnaround time Preeti More, you have posted 12.75. Vedangi, you have posted 13 milliseconds.
I'm actually in waiting time. She has written 10 minus 2 as 7. So there is calculation error.
Okay, okay.
Copy 2.
Preeti, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Preeti cross verify. Rutuja also posted. Okay, so Rutuja is also 13 milliseconds. Preeti, you need to check. Other students do the calculation. Unnati, are you corrected? Sneha Maskara, you have also written 12.75 milliseconds average turnaround time.
Yes, ma'am. Mine is wrong.
You have written last line average waiting time. It's not average waiting, it's average turnaround time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Corrected. I got same as Vedangi. Okay. Yakub Ramjan, Ganesh Evle, Abhay Gante. Please, while you are posting, write your names. A few numbers are not there with me. Who is this? 7887553116.
11.
Hmm?
It's me, Mayur Gadke, A50.
Thank you, Gadge. Okay. I think a few students from E division, they have changed the number and that's why I'm unable to get it. Next doing math. Who is this? Is this Abhay? 8862. Okay. Okay. Good. So finally, Abhay posted me the answer of previous example. Rahul. Rahul, again, you got the average turnaround time as a 12.75. So it's 13 milliseconds. Just cross verify. Rahul,
Yes, ma'am.
Sandhamore. Good. Now I am feeling that my lecture is going on. So you are responding me. So that's great. Maximum students, they are sending me the messages, they are showing their examples. So it seems that you are taking interest in my lecture. Vishal Lingde. Good. Yakub is there. Yakub Ramjan. Ganesh Kevle. Not getting any feedback, any response from these two students. Are there in the lecture? Yakub Ramjan is there. Harshad Bad.
Yes, ma'am.
We are yet not posted the result.
करतो post.
ऋषिकेश गोगरदरे. जोपर्यंत तुम्ही मला रिस्पॉन्स देणार नाही मी तू पण पुढे जाणार नाही आणि एवढं लक्षात ठेवा तुमच्यासाठी बाकीच्यांचा वेळ वाया जातोय. राईट? ऋषिकेश गोगरदरे. गुड. Rahul, I was taken P2 turnaround time as 15 milliseconds, as 16 milliseconds. Correct it. Vaishnavi Abhangra. Good. So now, can anybody give the last example? I want from yourself. Simple घ्यायचं नाही example. असं प्रोसेस स्विच व्हायला पाहिजे. एक प्रोसेस चालू असताना ती प्रिएम्प्ट व्हायला पाहिजे दुसऱ्या प्रोसेस कडून. दुसरी चालू असताना तिसरीनं तिला प्रिएम्प्ट केलं पाहिजे. तिसरी चालू असताना चौथीनं तिला प्रिएम्प्ट केलं पाहिजे. So like that I want example from you. So come on, those who have completed, think on it. So you should be able to generate or prepare the problem itself. As we have solved almost 5 examples. So who will post? You can just write it by your pen, like I was posting the examples, and just click the photograph and send to me. आन्सर जसं आपण आन्सर फाइंड आउट करतोय तसं क्वेश्चन सुद्धा आपल्याला जनरेट करता यायला पाहिजे. Omkar Virasdar. Good. Omkar, so your number is saved with me. So in Omkar, I think now you got it clearly. Raj. Good. Raj also solved it. Okay, still my request to all of you, if you are not getting yet, you can ask to me. I will personally clear your doubt. If you are not understanding, because this is most important. If you are able to solve the preemptive SJF case, if you are able to prepare the example by your own, so then it will be very easy for you to solve any problem from any algorithm. So anybody will post the problem. Last example we are going to take. Formulate the problem itself. Rahul, is it ready? Unnati, Vedangi. Anisha Kamble, Shraddha, Parki Patil. Okay. So Shraddha. I have taken the example of Shraddha. This is P1 arrives at time 0, first time is 6. Okay. P2 arrival time 1, 2. So P2 going on. P3. But again, Shraddha, only P1 is switch. CP will be switched from P1 to P2. But after P2, I think we have to apply non-preemptive SJF. Yeah, still it is good. Anisha Kamble. So she has posted the result. Rahul. P1 6 0 to 1 5 2. But only P1 will be preempted by P2. I think P2 will be continued, and after that again P4, like that onwards. It is also so simple. Anybody want to post the example? Otherwise, we'll take Rahul's example. Omkar Virasdar. Let me check. Five, 3. Okay. So yeah, Omkar, your example is also best. Okay, we'll go for Omkar's example. So I will post it on both the groups. Come on, solve it. This will be the last example. Omkar Virasdar has posted. So I have posted Omkar's example on both the groups. So come on, solve this as a last example. So hope with this you got the clear idea. You will not face any problem henceforth. Whenever the example will be given, you will be able to solve it.
Ma'am, in arrival time directly 4 is given.
In arrival time, acha, 4 is given. So you may think in that case, let it be.
Okay, ma'am.
It may possible, so we can't say that immediately the next process will arrive. The next process may arrive after 2 milliseconds or 3 milliseconds also. Okay, so solve this as a last example. For a while, I will start taking the attendance. And be ready with the answers. And parallelly, you can give the attendance. A division. Roll number 1.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
4, 5,
Present.
6,
Present, ma'am.
8,
7 present, ma'am.
8, 9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Yes, ma'am.
14, 15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present.
20,
Present, ma'am.
roll number 20, 20, 21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Yes, ma'am.
24,
Yes, ma'am.
25,
Yes, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Yes, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
29, Tejal, it's 39. Your roll number is 39 or 29?
Sorry.
Is it 39 or 29?
A39.
Okay, so who is 29? 29 absent. 30. 30, 30. 31.
Present, ma'am.
32.
Present, ma'am.
33.
Present, ma'am.
34. 34. 35.
Present, ma'am.
36. 36.
Present, ma'am.
37.
Present, ma'am.
38. 39.
Yes, ma'am.
40.
Present, ma'am.
41.
Yes, ma'am.
43. 44.
Present, ma'am.
43 is there. 44.
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am.
59, 50, 50, 51,
Present, ma'am.
52,
Yes, ma'am.
53,
Present, ma'am.
54,
Yes, ma'am.
55, 56, 57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am.
59, 60, 60, 61,
Yes, ma'am.
2, 63,
Yes, ma'am.
64,
Yes, ma'am.
65, 66,
66 present.
60,
66 present.
67, 68, 67 present, 68, 68, 69,
69 present, ma'am.
70,
70 present, ma'am.
71,
Yes, ma'am.
72,
Present, ma'am.
73,
Present, ma'am.
74,
Present, ma'am.
75.
Present, ma'am. Present.
So 74 is there, no? Roll number 70, Girimaleshwar Nageli.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are not responding during the lecture?
I responded, ma'am.
You responded. Have you sent the answer?
Not, ma'am.
So send it on the group, or you
Okay,
can
ma'am.
send to me personally. Write your name there. 70 up to 74. Whether 72 is there? 71, 72, 73. All are there?
Yes, ma'am.
75. 75 is also there. 76,
Present, ma'am.
78, 77, sorry.
Present, ma'am.
78,
Present, ma'am.
79,
Present, ma'am.
80.
Present, ma'am.
So third year B division. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
4, 4, B division 4, 5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11, 12, 13,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
13, 11 is also there. Okay. 14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Ma'am.
17,
Yeah.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19, 19, 20,
Present, ma'am.
21, 22,
Yes, ma'am.
23, 23, 24, 25, 26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Yes, ma'am.
29,
Yes, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32, 33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present.
38,
Present.
39, roll number 39, B39, 40, 40, 41,
Present, ma'am.
42, 42, 43, 44, 45,
Yes, ma'am.
46, 46, 47,
Present, ma'am.
48, 49, 50,
Present, ma'am.
51,
Present, ma'am.
52, 53,
Present, ma'am. 53.
54, 55, 56, 56, 57, 58, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63,
Present, ma'am.
64. Yakub, why you are not responding? 63. Yes, Yakub Ramjan.
Yes, ma'am.
So why you are not responding during the lecture? Yes.
Sorry, ma'am. I was busy a bit at that time.
So almost 5 to 6 times I called. So you are not responded, and at the time of attendance you are responding. Yeah, have you solved the examples? Yakub, have you solved the examples? Yes, respond me. Yakub Ramjan. $64, 65, 66, 67.
Present, ma'am.
Rohit, is it 60? I am asking 67. Your roll number? Rohit More.
57.
It's 57. So why you are answering at the time of 67? So 67,
ma'am.
68,
Present.
69, 70, 71,
Present, ma'am.
72, 73, 74,
Present, ma'am.
75,
Present, ma'am.
76, 77, 78,
Present, ma'am.
79, 80.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So I think few students they have posted, few students they left the class also. So just let me check the answer. So Unnati has posted. Answer is 2.5 and 5.5. 2.5, 5.5. 3, 6. Sheetal Kedar. Different results. Neha Maskar. 3.25, 6.25. So everybody got the different answer. Vedangi, what about you?
Ma'am, 2.5 and 5.5.
Check. Omkar Birazdar. He has given the example. 2.5, 5.7. Omkar.
No, ma'am, it should be 5.5.
5.5. Okay.
Yeah, 5.5.
2.5 and 5.5. Sandhya Modi. 2.5, 5.5. Vedangi. 2.5, 5.5. It seems that this is the correct result. 2.5, 5.5. Rutuja. Okay, good. Same result, Rutuja also. Shraddha. Same result. Good. Rutuja Dhole. Ma'am, can I left? There is earn and learn lecture. Okay. Rahul has posted. You have posted only the chart. Rahul, you want to say something? Vaishnavi. 2.5, 5.5. Kalyani. 2.5, 5. Okay. So almost maximum students they got the same result. So I will say that it is the same. Okay. So your answer is same, Rahul. 2.5, 5.5. Okay. Good. Then go ahead. So we have solved the whole example. I will post it on the group. Okay. Unnati has solved. It's 2.5. Okay. So I will share the Unnati's post. So you can just refer remaining students, those who have not solved. So assuming that this is the correct answer, Mayur Ghante. Okay, 2.5. Mayur, your surname?
Ghadge, ma'am.
Ghadge, na? Okay, okay. Wrongly I
Ah.
wrote. Okay, okay. Okay, good. So other students, they can refer and they can just correct their answer if it is wrong. Otherwise, let it be. So it seems that you got the result. So we'll stop here. Thank you. So you can leave. If you are having doubt, you can ask.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
B25 present, ma'am.
Who is there?
B25 Pratibha Chauhan.
B25. Pratibha.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What happened? What you were doing?
Oh,
Okay. Vishaka.